In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix a microphone that is not working here in Windows 11 or Windows 10. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, check the microphone itself. Some microphones are going to have a physical mute button or switch, so just make sure the mic isn't muted directly on your device. From here, what you're going to want to do is check the Windows sound settings. To do this, hit the little start button down here and then hit settings. Once you're in settings, look on this left-hand sidebar and find system and then select sound from within there. Scroll down a little bit. You're looking for this little input section right here. What you're going to want to do is find your microphone on here. Just make sure it is set as the default device, as well as adjust the volume and turn it like all the way up, just like so. If it's still not working, you're going to want to check the actual device or app you're trying to use. For example, in Discord, you'd be able to open this up and then go to user settings down at the very bottom. From here, you could scroll down a little bit, find voice and video, and just make sure that it's set to the exact same things like your default, Windows device, as well as your default output device as well. So like your headphones and your mic right here. You could adjust those volumes as well. If it's still not working for you though, go ahead and go to this search button and type in device manager and open it up. And you're going to want to go to audio inputs and outputs. Find your microphone on here, which is going to be this headset microphone. Actually, it's going to be this one right here, the Elgato Wave 3. Go ahead and right click on it and go ahead and hit update driver. Hit search automatically for drivers. And if there's an update available, go ahead and install it. If you're still having issues, simply go ahead and uninstall the device and then unplug your microphone, plug it back in, and let the drivers reinstall. As soon as you go ahead and do this, you'll be good to go. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.